G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing, July 12, 2023. This is the Aussie US currency update. On our weekly, we're in a bullish mode, and on our daily, it's just broken up, our oscillator's just broken up into a bullish mode as well. And we've also got a divergence target that was hit in the last few hours. First off, on the weekly, you can see that there's a slight movement to the upside on our oscillator, which is giving us this bullish mode. However, the price is still going sideways, so this could go either way in the next week or two. On the daily, this is just broken up, our oscillator is just broken up into a bullish mode, a very slight upturn. As you can see there also by the CCI. We did have a bullish divergence back here versus a bearish on the price. The price did react to that and broke to the upside, so our target was hit there. And even back to this point, there was a bearish divergence on that period versus a bullish divergence on the price. And the price eventually collapsed, and it would have hit our target had you drawn a Fibonacci in that range there. Now on the hourly, we've got a divergence playing out. We projected a divergence back here, a bullish divergence. That was our video at that point on that dotted line versus a bearish divergence. We projected a move to the upside and eventually did that. We projected that target area in that rectangle. Came close, didn't quite hit the target area. And that target area would have been a Fibonacci range between that high and that low. And just to show you again, that was the low of Fibonacci to the high, and that would have been a 38% to the 50% Fibonacci range, and that's where the target was set. So it got up to close to that target there, fell back off. You probably would have panicked, but you don't never panic when you're trading this way, and eventually did rise and hit our target at this point in the last few hours there. So strategy worked, and it continued. So long as the CCI, you can see there, so long as that CCI remained above that point there, then they generally work. I haven't seen a failure yet. The only time this would fail is when if the price had to continue to collapse, and the CCI would have collapsed soon after that point and dropped below that level. But if it gets this far, eventually, as you can see, eventually keeps bouncing up around, sort of tries to stress you out, but eventually it breaks up and hits your target. And I always choose the closest Fibonacci range as a target range to improve your probability of success. So the divergences are independent on the different timelines. They're not related. So that's one strategy to look at. The other strategy we follow is trend trading, and that's when the weekly and the daily are aligned. We go, in this case, you would go long only, and in this case would have been a bonus to go long during that period as well, with the weekly and daily also going long. So a couple of benefits with the trend as well. So to understand a few more trading strategies, feel free to donate and subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.